guys. I want to show you our cleaning caddy. Make sure that it's stocked with multi-purpose cleaner. And we've got degreaser, glass cleaner. We've got foamer for bathrooms, a little bit of Vim, paper towel, extra gloves, weight, magic erasers, microfiber cloths, and stainless steel cleaner with its own dedicated cloth. Should only be using this cloth for stainless steel cleaner, nothing else. Paper towel.
Gloves.
Okay.
Bigger upper thingy. Garbage bag. Dustpan and broom. Hi, so I'm up here at the rooftop of the 834 and just want to show how to do a walk around and how to make sure that everything is neat, organized, and tidy. We'll take a look and you'll see that there's like chairs and some things are disorganized, and just want you to make sure that they are put into place, along the wall. Stuff like that. We've got a table like this, just make sure that you put the chairs all the way around. Wipe down anything that's on the chairs, like bird poop. I'll just do a little neat and tidy. We'll sweep this stuff up and get it so it's neat and organized. Most of the buildings that we look after, we have amenity rooms. And in the amenity rooms, there may be a kitchen area, sitting area, almost like a living room with a TV and stereo and side tables, a coffee table, and you know what I mean. So all of those need to be cleaned on a regular basis. So we've got paper towel dispenser, make sure it's clean on the top and it's loaded full of paper towel. Soap dispenser underneath is super important to make sure that it's clean. We've got our tap set, sink, make sure it is cleaned and polished. Look under the sink, make sure it's neat and tidy, and pick up and take out any garbage. Clean the countertops, the drawers, the front of the drawers. Checking the refrigerator, the freezer, make sure it's clean, and inside the fridge, make sure it's clean and remove any nasty food. Windows, make sure the windows are clean. If there's any kind of meeting table, make sure that the chairs are all put back properly, nice, neat, and tidy. And just like this. So when people walk in, it just looks nice and tidy and clean. Pick up any big bits off the floor, right? And of course, little bits and pieces, you're gonna wanna vacuum those. Stack chairs neatly. Make sure you put the cushions back, nice and neat. And we're gonna wanna vacuum the couches and get in behind the couches at least once a month. Get behind them, vacuum them every week. Dusting the coffee and cleaning and wiping the coffee tables. Arranging the flowers. And if there is any live plants, it's always a good idea to give them a bit of water. And that's kind of it when it comes to amenity rooms. Make sure they're clean and tidy. People come down here, they hang out. It's an extension of their home. So we want to make sure that it is presentable and clean and sanitary. And that's pretty much it for that.